We're back here again with Brian, and once again, Brian, we're talking fluids, but this time we're talking transmission fluids. Dumb question, but why do you have to change it? Because it's all like, it's just kind of locked in there, it's sealed tight. I mean, it goes forever almost, doesn't it?
Longer than it used to.
Yeah.
You're absolutely right about that. A lot longer than it used to. It used to be every 20, 30,000 miles you want to do a fluid service. Now it's 60 to 70. Some manufacturers say lifetime, which that's true because when the transmission dies, the fluid's life is over, right?
Good point.
Right? So you get a new transmission.
Sounds like a trick, actually.
Right, it is. So if you want to make the transmission last longer, change the fluid. So it's always a good idea to change the transmission fluid because transmissions are not a few $100s like they used to be.
Right.
It's $5,000, $6,000, sometimes more for transmissions nowadays.
And when the fluid's being changed, can they tell if there's anything wrong with the transmission or starting to just by the color or the taste of it when it comes out? I don't know.
I'm not into tasting it, but some people do, and some people smell it, and the smell's not bad, and the color certainly does tell you some stuff.
Yeah.
So if it really does have a nasty smell to it, or if it's black or burnt, it's probably too late. The damage is done. Right?
So how many miles?
60 to 70 is ideal.
60, yeah, okay. Check your odometer. Think about when you last had your transmission fluid changed.
And the right fluid, too, like you said on
that's
differentials.
Right. That's right. Yeah, that's right.
There's differences.
This stuff gets trickier every day. We were just talking about garden tractors a second ago, and they're even getting difficult. So you need good people looking after your car, and Weber Automotive can do that. So if you're not already at the website, check it out, weberautomotive.com. We have lots of other great videos like this, and thanks for watching.
Thank you. Thanks, Randy.